Acquitted convict in Samir Mapari murder case, Rajesh Desai found dead at his farmhouse in Kutsare. Death suspected to be due to oral poisoning. Urish Purjitsa was not satisfied with CM's response to a defence expo. Peaceful agitation to continue. Former Lok Sabha Speaker P.A. Sangama passes away, dies of heart attack in Delhi. House adjourned. Panji Smart City proposal has shortcomings, says Centre. City level criteria, area-based development and Pen City solution missing from proposal. And ONGC and Indian Oil power their way into PSPB Inter-Unit 2020 finals. ONGC pacer Ankit Rajput excited about the rest of India chance. The acquitted convict in Samir Mapari murder case, Rajesh Desai, was found dead at his farmhouse at Kutsare. One of the labourers was the first to discover Rajesh Desai lying dead on the floor in mysterious circumstances. He said that Rajesh Desai had told him and other labourers to be off the duty on Wednesday. Some liquor bottles were found at the site. Police sent the body to the post-mortem to ascertain the exact cause of death. Sources claim that death may be due to oral poisoning.
Accused Rajesh and two others were acquitted by the Madgaon Sessions Court in Samir Mapari murder case in the year 2013. Former MLA Ramrao Desai's brother Rajesh Desai was found dead in mysterious circumstances at his farmhouse in Kadebag Soloi, Kutsare. Rajesh was acquitted in Samir Mapari murder case. His labour was the first to discover Rajesh Desai lying dead on the floor.
सुबह देखा तो उधर गिरा पड़ा है।
तुम कब आए थे?
हम एकदम 7 बजे आ गया था इधर।
कितने दिन तक रहे थे तुम?
अभी मैं 5 तारीख को आया, उसके बाद 1 और 2 को नहीं था। 3 को यहाँ सुबह ही आ गया।
1-2 को कहाँ गए?
हमको सांगे में भेजा नहीं।
किसने?
और
तुमको हॉलिडे दिया था?
यहाँ हमारे सामने दोनों आदमी रहने का नहीं, हमको चलाना आता नहीं था।
कहाँ मोबाइल था?
तो बाद में हम कहा हमको नहीं आता है, कैसे बताएंगे। उसके बाद हम घर देखा था, सीधा पैदल ही गया।
DYSP Sami Tavares said that exact cause of the death is not known. The body has been sent for post-mortem.
Immediately rushed to the spot and they found a dead body was lying in one of the room of the farmhouse, and we'll be referring the dead body for post-mortem examination. Presently we don't see any injury on the dead body. However, to ascertain exact cause of death, the body is being referred for post-mortem examination.
Incidentally, Rajesh has been found dead at the same farmhouse where Samir was murdered 8 years back, and his body was recovered from the nearby river. Sources claim that Rajesh was celebrating his birthday at the farmhouse, and there is possibility that he was accompanied by his friends. There are some wine bottles found at the site. Poisoning is suspected to be cause of death. The cause of the death will be ascertained once post-mortem report is out. Dattaraj Naik and Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Citizens group Orishpur Jilsa Awaz are firm to continue peaceful agitation against the expo to be held in last week of March at Betul. The group is not satisfied with the response from the Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. The Orishpur Jilsa Awaz expressed discontent as Chief Minister could not give them a firm answer over what would happen to the venue site post-Defence Expo. Resident of Asolna, Ambeli, Veli, Fatarpa, Kola, Nakeri, Betul and surrounding villages met CM at his official residence to discuss the Defence Expo issue.
काल सांजवणा आमच्या पंच मेंबरांची मीटिंग जाल्ले उपरांत आमकां मेसेज मेळ्ळी टू द पंचायत मेंबर्स दॅट सीएमान आमकां आज मिटिंगेक आपयल्यात म्हणून. सो वी हॅड प्रिपेर्ड अजेंडा एंड आर डिमांड्स. ते वाचून तो म्हणूंक लागलो हें सगळें कोतू जाल्यार टायम लागतलो, हितूंतल्यान वता जाल्यार. सो तुमकां डिफेन्स एक्सपो जायो नाका, आमकां डिफेन्स एक्सपो नाका, बट वी हॅड कम फॉर अ डिस्कशन. पॉयंट बाय पॉयंट डिस्कस केलें जाल्यार तें एका वरा भितर जातालें, बट तो म्हणटा आमणाको टायम ना म्हूण, एंड ही कुडंट आन्सर इवन वन क्वेश्चन or given to our demand. I asked him about the report, 11,000 बाटली blood, 1,000 beds in hospital and 80 ambulances. They कित्याक stand by दवरपाचे 4 दीस? For what reason? So if there is risk, in case of emergency, if there is risk to life, लोकांक सांगपाची गरज आहा CMन. तो म्हणटा आमकां खबरच ना. इतलो रिपोर्ट पेपराचेर येयला आसतना ताका खबर ना म्हळ्यार ताका गोंयच्या लोकांचें पळोवंकूच ना, खोर्जीचें पळोवंकूच ना.
जाल्यार आमी ताका एकूच प्रश्न केलो की एम्प्लॉयमेंट कसो मेळटलो तें आमकां सांग म्हणून. तो म्हणपाक जशें पळय फेस्तां फेरी घालतात तशें म्हणटा तो लोकांनी गाडी घालपाचे, कसले बटाटवडे विकपाचे आनी खंय घालपाचे. आमी विचारलें काय खंय घालपाचे, GICD लँडाचे घालपाचे. तो म्हणटा भायर घालपाचे, लँडार घालप ना, आनी ताचो रेवेन्यू म्हणटा लोकांक मेळपाचो. आज इतली ब्रिजीस आसा, ते ब्रिजीचो फिजिबिलिटी रिपोर्ट तुजे कडेन आसा, वयल्या ताचे वयल्यान टँक्स येवपाचे आसा. बाळ्ळी ब्रीज म्हळ्यार न्यू बांदतात, ती ओल्ड ब्रीज सारकी ना म्हणून ती आपणाक खबर ना म्हणपाक लागलो. दुसरें विचारलें तेका आमी कितलो रेवेन्यू स्टेटी जातलो, जो जर म्हणपाक 60 ते 70 करोड म्हणपाक जातलो. जाल्यार म्हण सांगलें तेका आमी हे 60 ते 70 करोड जात जाल्यार वॉट इज द रेवेन्यू फॉर द विलेज पंचायत. ते गाडी घालताचे म्हणपाक आनी सोपो बसोवपाचो आनी त्या सोप्याचो म्हणपाक रेवेन्यू म्हणपाक लागलो पंचायतीक. हे म्हणपाक लागलो तुमी म्हणपाक इतली म्हणपाक खोलायेन स्टडी केल्ली आसा आनी तुमी म्हणपाक इतली डिमांड आमचे कडेन घाल्ल्यात, आपण म्हणपाक इतली खोलायेन ताची स्टडी करूं ना आनी इतली म्हणपाक तुजे कडेन आन्सर करपाक आपण म्हणपाक लागलो येना, टायम ना. आपण फकत 10 मिनटां म्हणपाक मिटींग आपयल्ली आनी तुमची इतली हे प्रश्न आसा ते आपल्या कडेन करपाक जायना. तुमी म्हणपाक आपण ट्रस्ट करात. दॅट दीस इयर दिस डिफेन्स एक्सपो इज कमींग, बट गव्हर्मेंट शूड कम विथ द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ विड्रॉवल ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट सेईंग दॅट इट विल नॉट बी परमनंट. तो म्हणटा ना, ते म्हणटा आमी आफ्टर 31st पळोवया.
Former Lok Sabha Speaker P.A. Sangama passed away today. He died of a heart attack at his Delhi residence. He was 68 years old. Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan informed about it to the House and adjourned for the proceedings for the day. Sangama was 9-time member of Lok Sabha and Speaker in the 11th Lok Sabha. He had contested the presidential election as an opposition candidate against Pranab Mukherjee. Also held important portfolios in the union government. Jewellers strike continued today. The jewellers are on 3-day strike protesting against the union budget's proposal of re-imposition of 1% excise duty and mandatory PAN cards for any transaction of more than 2 lakh rupees. Jewellers have demanded a rollback of the proposal. Most of the jewellery shops in the state are closed. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.